I want to share this fountain. I just like the sounds of the waterfall. And where am I? This is Tanaya Bed and Breakfast. So this is Legian Street. Hey ladies and gentlemen, it's Boba here and welcome back to my vlog. Today is Tuesday afternoon around 1 p.m. It's on May 24th, 2022. How are you doing, everyone? Hope you have an amazing day. Hello, what's up? And today I'm gonna walk around this street that I mentioned before. This is Legian Street. Some of you might know this area, this hotel, and if you have any experience in here, good or bad, please put a comment down below. Really like to hear it. Sun Island Hotel and Spa Legian. This is the building. And Alliance down to the left over there, it's Villa. Across the street is Adidharma Hotel Legian, and the hotel is open. And this one is, let's check out the name of this hotel. Wow, this is the sign here. It's called Love Haitian Hotel. And this is the place. This hotel is open. I want to say thanks to everybody who has been subscribing my channel, supporting my channel so far, as I am nothing without you. If you just find out my channel, or if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button. One click, it really means a lot to continue my channel. Across the street is Joker Bar and Grill. This bar is open in the afternoon. It's still closed now. And this is 6930 Studio Salon and Spas as well. And this is just a souvenir shop. They got a lot of sunglasses, handbag, suitcase. And across the street is 14 Roses. 14 Roses Hotel is open. Yogurt Republic. The place is locked, so it's not open. So many dresses in here. Hats, bags, Starbucks coffee. And this is Warung Mina. This place is open. More shelves. This shop is open. And this is a hotel. It's called the One Legian Hotel. Well, I'm here now. I think I'm gonna walk down to the hotel lobby area. We'll show you the lobby and we'll show you the room. We'll show you the swimming pool. Let's explore this lobby area. This must be the bar, and it's still closed. There are so many chairs and tables there. Such a huge lobby area, and there are so many couch, table. They're looking so nice and comfy. And the front desk is over there. Let's take a walk to the front desk. This is such a large sitting area. So this hotel, it has 2 swimming pools. And this is the front desk. I like the ceiling. The ceiling is not too high, but very nice decorators. It just look different. Knock, knock, knock. Who's there? The door is open. As soon as I walk in the room, this is what I can see. And to my right over here is the bathroom. There is a single sink here, mirror, and then I don't know what this is. If you guys know, please put a comment down below. And there are 2 glasses, toothpaste, and over here is the hair dryer. Looks so nice. And this is the shower room. Rain shower. Beautiful light. And then some floating shelf for a shampoo, soap. This must be the faucet. And this one, the soap restoring space. And this is the toilet, seat of toilet, toilet paper. Then some space in here. Floating shelf for your towel. Well, this is the bathroom. And I'm gonna walk to the room. We'll show you the room. This is the room. King size bed. Very nice white sheet. There are 4 pillows. And then 1 nightstand with lamp. And then right here in the corners is the fridge. It is small size. And then some hangers for your clothes. Some storage over there on the top. This is the wall. And right there in the corner, it might be some storage for your luggage. And there is 1 flat screen TV here. It's on the wall. And then this one, there's towel rack or for your clothes to dry up. And there is a trash can in here. This is some amenities you can find in here, like kettle, mineral water. I don't know what that is. This is a tissue box. And this must be the lamp. And this is the window. And over here is a safety box. This is the safety box. And this is what its rooms look like from here. Hey, that's me, what's up? So this room has tiny small balcony. Let me open the door. We'll show the balcony and what you can see from the balcony. The door is open, so the balcony is so tiny and you can see the swimming pool. That is the swimming pool. So this hotel has 2 swimming pools, and this is the first one, and the second swimming pool is on the top. It is time to show you the neighborhood around this hotel. This is the deck, restaurant and bar. And if you like my video, please give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to smash the bell button so that you'll be notified when I upload a video. That Warung Sambalayang across the street is new. They're selling local food. And this one there's tea, Magina. The place is shut down. Wow, have a look at this shop. They have so many good stuff in here. Bags, dresses, sunglasses, dresses. Everything is 100,000. Well, everybody, it is time for me to say goodbye to you all, and as per usual, I want to say thanks for you all for watching my video. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. Have a great day, everybody, and I'll see you again in my next video, as I have tons of videos coming up. Take care, have a great day, and don't forget to keep smiling.